Hi everybody, my name is Lorena Gil, and today I'm gonna explain the passive voice. The passive voice is used when we want to focus attention on the person or the thing affected by the action. Let's see some real conversations. Conversation number 1. Oh dear, I am over the moon. What happened? I was paid from my boss and I am going to buy a new jacket. Example number 2. Did you hear the news? What news? The barber shop will be closed. Oh, really? Example number 3. I am going to send packages. No, they've already been sent. Thank God, because it's chilly outside. In the previous conversations, we could find some examples. I was paid from my boss. In this sentence, we find the passive voice in past simple. The barber shop will be closed. In this sentence, we find the passive voice in future simple. And finally, no, they've already been sent. Here, we can find the passive voice in present perfect. When we talk about the passive voice, we have to talk about the verb to be, because in all the sentences you need to use the verb to be. Let's remember the verb to be. In present, the verb to be is am, is, are. In past, the verb to be is was, were. In future, the verb to be is will be, and the verb to be in present perfect is have or has plus been. Let's see another example. I was paid from my boss. As you can see here, you can see the subject, I, the passive verb was paid, and the actor, my boss. Was is the verb to be in past, and paid is the verb in participle. I paid to my employees is the active voice, and my employees were paid by him is the passive voice. When you use the passive voice, you use the object pronoun, and they are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Are you interested in this topic? Let's go to Grammar 1.1. In that unit, you can find this information. Don't forget, when you use the passive voice, you need to use the verbs in participle. Thanks for your time and see you soon.